Hi everyone. I want to talk about Molokai. Our first introduction to Hawaii was Oahu, and we enjoyed ourselves there. But it is very commercialized. And I didn't come to Hawaii to see all the stores and high rises. I came to Hawaii for the scenery and the things we wanted to see. There's no getting away from the commercialism in Oahu, but you have to go there because a lot of the important things in our history started in Oahu. Now, when you tell people you're going to Molokai, they'll say, "Why are you going there?" Well, it's a very beautiful place and is very much like the Hawaii you would have found in the 1800s. I believe there's only 3 or 4 places you can stay for lodging. There's maybe half a dozen or more, no more than a dozen places to eat. But it's such a relaxing place. I mean, I just, well, not just me, even Bruce loved it. And it was really nice to slow down and relax after the hectic pace we had in Oahu. I enjoyed the people there. They are just absolutely the sweetest people around. They're happy to see you, and you get the most beautiful sunsets. I mean, they were just incredible. A lot of people will ask us in Molokai, why did we come here? Most Hawaiians do not come here. I said, well, their loss. And they said, yes, it is. They also have signs up saying, we don't want cruise ships coming here. They don't want to make their island any different than it is. And that, to me, is the whole charm of Molokai.